Tale Tales.
Hello children, today let us learn how to greet in Kannada. Hello is namaskara. Good morning is shubhodaya. Good afternoon is shubha madhyana. Good evening is shubha sanje. Good night is shubha raatri. And thank you is dhanyavaada. Let us now see some sentences. Ramesh and Suresh are friends. They both are jogging in the park and they meet each other. Let us now listen to their conversation. Namaskara, shubhodaya. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನಾನು ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಂತರ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ. Let us now understand the meaning of each sentence in the conversation. Ramesh greets Suresh by saying Namaskara. Shubhodaya, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? Namaskara means hello. Shubhodaya is good morning and ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ means how are you. So, Ramesh asks Suresh, hello, good morning, how are you? Suresh replies by greeting, hello, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, which is I am fine, and asks how are you by saying ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? Ramesh then replies back by saying I am fine too. ನಾನು ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Suresh then says he shall meet Ramesh later. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂತರ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. Where nantara is later and bheti means meet. Ramesh then replies back saying sure, ಖಂಡಿತ. It's evening time and Seema is playing in the park. She does not have anyone to play with. She sees another girl come into the park. She wants to make friends with her and play with her. Now let us listen to their conversation. ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೇಖಾ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೀಮಾ. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Let us now understand the meaning of each sentence in the conversation. First, Seema greets Rekha by saying Shubha Sanje, Ninna Hesarenu. Shubha Sanje is good evening. Ninna Hesarenu means what is your name? Rekha then replies back saying Nanna Hesaru Rekha. Ninna Hesarenu? She says, my name is Rekha. What is your name? Seema then replies back saying, Nanna hesaru Seema. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತೀಯಾ? My name is Seema. Will you play with me? Rekha then replies saying, ಹೌದು, yes, I will play with you. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. It's night time. Shiva's mom is reading a bedtime story. After she finishes reading, Shiva says, good night, Amma. That is, Shubha Ratri, Amma.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.